Nyumure Rigathi Gachagua ni gobono atebire buna kensemeri ya Kenya Defence Force gose KDF ni gobono berure kona chwagati chipesa chiabwe likonyara kurwa bokonye oje chinsemo chiri chikunire nenchara kubwatikana no wago kumura kera sogo ncherero kwelire Rigathi Gachagua ni gatebire bune keneke rokererie kijya kurwa asaba na jeshi gose KDF asokoro kurwa bokonye obu likonyara gosira bali babere bago kuno muno nenchara asense ya Kenya ani gago chama igajyu baro bw'abantu bakune nenchara bono komenta goika abantu chimilioni isano nemo nenda boli Rigathi ni gamentere kagote yabune serikali n'ekikobwatoke namba bene eyibona saba Kenya bande bali no kuganyo kuyabra bagotoma pese ndiyonsi babwate aseganga yogosire bali bakunire n'enchara ase chi county anoina bo chi county kumirenye bono kuro chi county kumine ya mochia kundire mono nigo baro yomentire asokobora kwendagera yibona yere n'enchara okobora kwa mache gati yebinde.
Today, the Kenya Defence Forces of the Republic of Kenya have undergone 1 day's pay towards the National Appeal Fund for Drought Mitigation and given us 130 million Kenya shillings. So I'm appealing to everyone, including students. They can give us 50 bob each, is good enough. And the steering committee will be, this evening, be announcing the pay bill number so that everybody who wants to make some contribution. No Kenyan should die when you have an extra coin. So I want to take this opportunity to also appeal to everybody who is here to make a contribution so that we assist Kenyans who are in a difficult situation. Finally, I want to say that the Ruto administration has identified a management style called continuous engagement with everybody, with those stakeholders. So anytime you want to interact with the president, with myself and the rest of government, we are available 24/7. Our reasoning is simple.